Hey guys, back again for another technical analysis on NEO BTC on Binance. I'll probably also do NEO USD as well, but they're both basically doing the same things. From my last video, I pointed out that basically as soon as we broke into this last support, which was 14577, there seemed to be bearish action, and that's exactly what happened. We got to a lower low, tried to recover a little bit, and we seem to be fighting into a small range, but it just seems a little bearish. Seem to be in a bit of a downtrend, so I'm not looking for any opportunities. The only opportunities that I did look for today actually were oversold bounces. Sorry. Um, so honestly, I didn't get to play much oversold bounces today. I think the oversold bounce that I did play was around here, right about here. So but I just sold really early. I was kind of busy today. But anyways, there is opportunity, although there were bearish breaks for oversold bounces. So far only on the 15-minute. Potentially, if we keep getting lower lows, there may be a potential for a low or for an hourly oversold bounce. If so, definitely be scouting for one of those. There are actually some other altcoins that I've been looking at that are pretty close to a 4-hour oversold bounce or even an hourly oversold bounce. I'll probably cover that in another video, probably today. But anyways, so far with NEO, even with the DevCon being out or happening right now, there doesn't seem to be that much exciting news at all. Really, just a sell the event type of day. From the 4-hour, we've got our high and a higher low, lower high. Equilibrium, we broke it bearish a little bit. We do have a tiny bit of an inside bar forming right here, but it's too early to say. There's still 3.5 hours to go just in this candlestick itself. So for NEO BTC, that's about it. We'll move on to NEO USD on Bitfinex. Of course, today on Bitfinex there was a lot of FUD with Tether and Bitfinex and all that scammy stuff that has seemed to be happening. It seems to be happening. Definitely definitely something bad for the long term when it comes to Bitfinex and USD and Tether. But I feel like it's been there for quite a while already. People have kind of known about it just when they've just been waiting for the government regulation to kick in when it came to that. But either way, with NEO USD, about the same thing on the 4-hour, where we hit our high and we seem to break our little range here, broke bearish, and we're actually almost close to a 4-hour oversold bounce on a NEO USD. At least that might be a potential quick entry just for some quick gains. I don't have any Tether actually at the moment. I would just trade BTC. But if you have any Tether, hopefully you're not scared at all with it, and you could play some oversold bounces at least for NEO. And if you look into the hourly, there were some clear oversold bounces right here, just hitting a little bit below 30 before he bounced about, I don't know, about 6%. Actually very decent. From that bounce, we actually hit a higher low, and we hit about a little bit of a higher high, but then we lost our higher high, or we lost our trend line and broke back into lower lows. Little bit of an oversold bounce over here. Didn't quite reach oversold, but it was probably oversold, um, just from the wicks though. But either way, both looking bearish at the moment. Might be back to for another analysis tomorrow, just for the final day of DevCon. But other than that, nothing much to say, to be honest. not looking too bullish at all. Um, and I'm not a type of person that would short, so nothing very interesting to me. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and remember to subscribe.